Okay. That's the blue I'm going to use for the helmet. I like to use a variety of paintbrushes. Wash one, let it dry. Then go to the next one. So, I like that. Oh, it's looking pretty good. So I need to get a little more of that. I'm so used to getting having it right up in my face so I can see all the details. This is a new thing with trying to do the videos and camera and getting it so I can see all the details. I guess I'm just getting old. That actually looks pretty good. Now I gotta do what I'm gonna probably regret, and that is the wash for the. So we're gonna use the Throne Shade Blue, and I'm gonna water it down, and I'm just gonna try to. I might have to touch up the white, but I'm gonna try to wash it down so I can just get it in the recesses. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be messy. wonder if I can just soak up the excess. And there's one of the other big brushes I have. I don't think I had it watered down like I wanted to. But I'm just going to try to touch up around the whites. May have to let it dry for a little bit and come back to it. Yeah, I might have to just come back to the helmet for right now. But we'll do the gun. Doing gunmetal. I find the guns to be kind of the hardest for me to paint because I'm so used to just slapping a color on and then maybe adding some black wash. But not really sure what other colors I can add to it. And so it's a gun. But I know the black will make it pop. Yeah, we'll go the jetpack and gunmetal too. And I'll go in with the other colors and touch it up. Okay. Well, I got the jetpack done. Got the guns done. I mean, I still need to add some details. The helmet, it's gonna be hard getting those. I might have to do that off camera. But yeah. Oh, let me get that real quick. About the side gun. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, let me know if I can improve. Let me know pretty much anything. I'll take any kind of help new to this. Not many painting, but I'll take any advice I can get. Thanks for watching.